Welcome to Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from a keen point of view. It was a rather volatile day today in Asian, European, and North American trading. Most of the majors moved down to test key support or resistance levels in early Asian trading before reversing course in Asia. And then when European traders entered the fray around 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern time, there was news that the European stabilizing mechanism may be somehow affiliated with the bank, which could add liquidity to the European region. This helped push up risk in general, and we saw a push up in the euro, the Aussie, New Zealand, and most of the majors against the US dollar. Where this leaves us now is that most of the majors have moved up against significant resistance zones, and their price action heading into tonight's trading could dictate the momentum for the rest of the week. The pair we're going to look at first is the New Zealand USD cross. The New Zealand USD cross just had coming across the wires at 5 o'clock the interest rate decision, which came in line. They kept it in line at 2.5%. This made the pair pop higher by it looks like 20, 25, 30 pips. Heading into tonight's trading, I'm going to watch the 79.20 level. If we pop above that, we could over the next few days head up towards 80. I want to see if the pair also, if it moves down back towards the pre-interest rate decision around 78.80. If it gets catches a bid there, we could also see it move back up to 79.20 and then higher. If we break that below this level, we could be on our way back towards the support at around 78.50, which contained the pair after the North American traders entered the fray today. Let's take a look also at the Aussie USD. The Aussie USD, this is what I was referring to last night. It moved down to touch the strong daily price support level, this ascending line, and then it just continued to break higher. It broke through the 102.60 resistance level, and now and closing into the end of the day, it's at this 103.20 level. Depending on risk trends, if the pair breaks across this, we could over the next few days see a push higher all the way up towards the monthly highs around 104.50. If the pair starts to break down, first initial support would be 102.60, and if we break that, we could be heading all the way down back to the 102.15 level. So the key to watch is the daily lows today, and look for a break above 103.20, or if we break the daily lows, we could be heading back towards the 102.60 and lower. And let's just take a look at the Great Britain pound, because it's interesting. The Great Britain government came out today, and they had a negative GDP reading once again, and so this kept the pound cross from following risk higher throughout the trading day. The pair moved down all the way towards the 154.60 in North American trading, but it couldn't break that level, and it actually rallied back up. Heading into tonight's trading, I'm going to watch the 155 level as sort of a pivot. If we break above this level and we maintain above it, maybe with a 4-hour close, we could have momentum and move higher towards the 155.80 level. If the pair remains below the 155 level, I would wait for the pair to I would be standing aside until maybe the pair breaks below the 154.60 level, and if it holds below there, we could see it push down towards 154. And let's just see the rest of the majors really quick. The euro is testing resistance right now at 121.60. The CAD is doing the same, and we could see a reversal in this pair and for a move back up towards the 102 area. And the yen is basically not doing anything, just trading sideways. So that's it for tonight. The one big news for tomorrow, it doesn't happen in European or Asian trading, it's the U.S. Durable Goods Report, and that will be at 8:30 Eastern Time. All right, this is Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from a keen point of view. Everybody trade safe.